Hello guys, this is the outcome this paella guys. So guys, give like, thumbs up and share me out like never before guys. Thank you so much. I really Hello guys. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning my lovers. Good morning family. Good morning everyone. Thank you all for watching my video. Thank you all for stopping by, for sharing me. May God Almighty bless you all. So today we are going to be cooking paella, called Spanish food. The best food in Spanish we are going to be preparing now guys. It's called paella. Paella is called by Spanish. So, and this Spanish food we are about to cook now guys, and these are the recipe. All this recipe is going to be used in cooking this paella. So as you can see, let me show you guys one after the other. You see, without this very one you cannot make this paella. Without this only this and this very one, you cannot make this Spanish food called paella. The best food in Spanish. Any store, any cafe bar, any restaurant in Spanish shop you will go, without you did not see this food there, that means that store is that restaurant is not a Spanish store. Okay guys, so and this is the best for party, for any occasion. Without this paella guys, no, you are not visit Spanish food, you are not eating Spanish food guys. Without these ingredients, this especially this and this paella food, okay, without this, that means you are not here eating Spanish food. So we are going to name the name one after the other guys. So and here you can see, we all know this is green pepper and red pepper, my onions, my pepper. You know Spanish don't eat pepper, but as in the sense that I'm in Nigeria and I like food with pepper, so that's why I slice pepper to eat. And here I have carrot slicing and then green pepper. I have my pollo, which is called in chicken Spanish. You can see we'll be using that. So and this is pollo, we call it chicken. So on I have here groundnut oil, I have maggi, and I have salt. So I have rice. This is epoma rice. This one is the rice they are using to make this paella. As you can see, this is epoma rice. This is very good in making this recipe, this paella of rice. Okay guys, and here I have my ginger, as you can see, powder one of that, and I have here garlic, so powder one, and I have I said it before, paella to prepare the rice. Okay guys, and we made the color look so beautiful and so colorful guys. So I said this also before. We all know this. We have prawn, we have shrimp, we have all of them is here. Without this, this paella will not be able to organize. And these two is the main important food in this, the main important things in this food guys. So we are going to get started now. So as you can see, these are the recipes we need in this paella of rice. Okay guys, here I have my two frapan here, which I'm going to use. So I'm going to wash this one, remove the oil. We are going to be using these two frapan. So the first thing I'm going to on my gas. So we are going to get started. Thank you all. Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end guys. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. So we we are going to mix this chicken with salt, maggi, ginger and garlic. Okay guys, because we are going to be frying it with oil. Okay, so now we are going to refry the chicken, guys. So guys, yeah, you can see guys. So guys, we are going to be putting our onions and pepper. So now we are going to be adding, the next step now we are going to be adding our green beans and our carrots. So guys, the next step now we are going to be adding our red pepper and green pepper. So we are going to turn it, stir it guys. So we are going to leave it for 2 minutes. So meanwhile we'll be adding maggi and curry and ginger and garlic guys. One maggi here and half here guys. ginger, garlic, other one, and salt, guys. So the next item, guys, so the important one is this. So we are going to be adding our colorante. Yeah, so we are going to add a little water that will be sufficient for us to cook the rice. Okay, guys, we really appreciate it. Thank you. Wow.
You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press and to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell, that school bell, press and to the get a notification. Now you feel the go. Thank you, I love you.